Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Made Free. In today's video, we'll understand a new formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And as we did in our previous video on a plus b whole square, we'll again use a geometrical method. We'll begin with drawing a perfect square. The side of the square we'll assume as a. So the area of this big square will be a square. We'll now add a smaller square within this bigger square. We'll consider the side of this small square as b, and the area of this small square will then be b square. If I remove this small square out of this big square, the remaining portion left would be a square minus b square. If we remove this smaller portion at the bottom left and move it right on the bigger square, now the dimensions of this smaller rectangle piece are a minus b and b. Now if you see on your screen, we have formed a big rectangle, and the dimensions of this rectangle are a plus b and a minus b. Now we know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Now solving for a square minus b square here, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, which is the length of the rectangle, into the breadth of the rectangle, that is a minus b. That gives us our formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, please do like, share and subscribe. And do drop a comment on if you want to understand any of the mathematical concepts, and I'll be glad to make a video for you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.